Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. Financial goal that I've been working towards for a long time is buying a property here in Los Angeles. I've recently accomplished that goal thanks to low interest rates, and I guess I got a little lucky. The feeling after accomplishing it, unbelievable. Talk about 5 years of strict budgeting and then 2 years of fierce competition to actually win this one. The best feeling in my entire life. What makes it even better is that I can have friends and family come over and enjoy it with me.